Unlock the latest Fortnite gear and exclusive battle passes on your Nintendo Switch using a gift card. First, you'll need to have your Fortnite gift card in hand. This card contains a unique code you'll use to get bucks, the in-game currency for Fortnite. Grab your Nintendo Switch and navigate to the home screen. Locate and select the orange briefcase icon. That's the Nintendo eShop. Once in the eShop, on the left-hand side menu, scroll down until you see the Enter Code option. Select it to proceed. Now, carefully enter the 16-character code from your Fortnite gift card. Enter it exactly as it appears, paying attention to uppercase letters and numbers. Once entered, select OK or Confirm to continue. You'll see a confirmation screen showing the value of your gift card. Select the option to add to your Nintendo eShop balance. Your Nintendo eShop balance will now be updated with the value of your gift card. This balance can then be used to purchase bucks for Fortnite. Now, let's get those bucks. In the eShop, use the search function and type in Fortnite. Select Fortnite from the search results. You'll see various options to purchase bucks. Choose the buck pack that best suits your needs. Select your desired buck pack. The game will then prompt you to confirm the purchase. Your Nintendo eShop balance will be used to pay for the bucks. After the purchase is complete, launch Fortnite on your Nintendo Switch. Your bucks will be automatically added to your account, ready for you to spend on awesome in-game items, skins, and the latest battle pass.